Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get the makeup look that I'm wearing. This look is pretty dramatic, but I like the way it turned out and I hope you guys will too. We're going to jump right into the tutorial. If you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. For my first transition shade, I'm going to take the color Burkina from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm going to place it in my upper crease. I'm going to drag it out towards the temple as well. For my next transition color, I'm going to take the shade Fulani, and I'm going to place that right below the first color. I'm also going to make sure to drag it out towards the temple. To deepen up the crease a little bit and to make it a little bit more neutral, I'm going to go in with this brown color from the Morphe 350 palette. And I'm going to take that on a Sigma E36 blending brush, place it right in my crease. To deepen the crease up just a little bit more, I'm going to go in with another brown color. This one is a little bit darker. It's also from the Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to place this one directly in my crease. Next, I'm going to cut the crease using my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer. First, I'm going to apply a little bit to my lid, and then look up. And the line there is where I'm going to start to draw the cut crease. I'm going to extend the cut crease all the way out to the temple as well. You want to make sure you perfect the cut crease and blend the concealer in. After you have the crease cut, it's time to add your lid color. I'm going to take this color from the Morphe 350 palette. For the glitter liner, I'm going to use eyelash glue and my Stila Magnificent Metal in the color Diamond Dust. So I took some of the glitter out and put it on the back of my hand like this. And I'm just going to go over the cut crease with a little bit of eyelash glue. And then take a small liner brush to add the glitter. I'm going to do this until the entire cut crease is lined with glitter. Once you have the glitter liner on, go back in with that dark brown and trace right above the cut crease. This will give the look a little bit more depth and dimension. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this pigment by MAC called English Gilt. I'm going to spray some Fix Plus on my brush. I'm going to come back later to finish up the eyes. Next, I'm going to prime my skin with Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. I'm going to use my Tarte Clean Slate Primer on my T-zone. For foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match in the color W8. I'm going to blend that all in with my damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to use my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the color Biscuit. I'm going to do some cream contouring with my Laura Mercier Contour Kit. I'm going to set under my eyes with Sephora's Mattifying Powder Foundation in the color Golden Fawn. I'm going to set the rest of my face with Neutral Toffee. This is also one of Sephora's Mattifying Powder Foundations. I'm also going to go in and set my highlighted areas with Cover FX Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to dust away all the excess powder, except I'm going to leave the powder around my nose contour to bake for a little bit. To set my contour, I'm going to use Bahama Mama by The Balm. For bronzer, I'm going to use my CoverGirl Queen bronzer. I'm just going to warm up my cheeks a little bit. I'm going to dust away the powder from my nose now so we can work on the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this magenta pencil by MAC. To blend that out, I'm going to take Zobo from the Masquerade palette. I'm going to extend the lower lash line out towards the temple. I finished up the right eye off camera. I'm going to show you guys what I did. Now I'm going to take this Burgundy liner by MAC and deepen up the lower lash line a little bit. I'm also going to extend it outward. I'm going to take a pencil brush and blend all that in together. Now I'm going to take a teeny tiny bit of this burgundy eyeshadow and blend out the lash line. Next, I'm going to take some glitter from this palette and add it right along the lower lash line. For lashes, I'm wearing Intoxicating by Flutter Lashes. For highlighter, I'm going to use this one by L'Oreal. It's the Crushed Foil Metallic Highlighter in the color Gilded Gold. I'm also going to use that as my inner corner highlight. For blush, I'm going to go in with this pink one here by e.l.f. For lips, I'm going to go in with Spacesuit by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to top it all off with some Fix Plus by MAC. I did switch out the lip gloss though because I wasn't feeling Spacesuit. I put on this lip gloss by MAC called Bow instead, and I'm feeling the look a lot better this way. Alright guys, that completes this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next video, bye!